What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Earndoing. I just did a cash out. You see here, I had 191 in my balance, but they have a little fee, so I actually got 188 it's requested. I made that this morning. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. And this one of those sites where I go in here and I just do a little bit, like every site, you know what I'm saying, that I bring to you. Just go in there, make a little bit of money, make $1 or two, and then move to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Whatever routine you have on one site, take that exact routine to the next site. So I cashed out 188. It should be here today. So let me show you what I do when I'm on this site. I go over here to earn, and I go straight to the first one, which is CPA and GPT offers. This is where I do my survey. I try to do two of these, but at the very minimum, I do one your survey. They're worth 90 cents each. I'm gonna scroll down here, show you how that works. Right here, your survey, you can do it unlimited times, many times you want to, 90 cents for each one. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I try to do two, but at the very least, I do one. I actually did two of them this morning. That's how I got 180 from just the surveys, but then also got more from letting my videos run in the background. And this is what I did. I just let on a separate tab, let the video loyalty run. You get a penny for every 3 ads. You know what I'm saying? Just letting those run continuously, passive income while I'm doing surveys. So it's like I'm making money twice. So I made that just this morning, $1.91. Took me about 30 minutes to do that, you know what I'm saying, while I was doing other stuff. It wasn't like I was completely focused on the surveys. I was, I'm doing stuff on my phone, making money. I have another tablet I'm making money on. So it's like I'm making money different ways. But, you know what I'm saying, this is just one of the ways that I was doing while I was doing other things. So it took about 30 minutes to get that $1.91. And the thing about it is, like, I let my videos run passively in the background, even when I'm not really on the site. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing to keep in mind. Just go in there and do one survey. Like I said, it took me 30 minutes because I'm doing other things. I mean, I probably could have got done in a lot less time, but the fact that I'm having to, kind of split my attention to different things, that's why it took 30 minutes to do. But like I said, if you answer surveys fast and you're focused on them, who knows, you can get them done in, 10, 15 minutes. But, the surveys, they're not that long. I just want to, make that clear. If you want to, you can go over here to PTC. They have ads that you can click. They don't really pay a lot, but it's just something if you're interested in doing. Just a little quick, easy money. It doesn't, like I said, it doesn't pay a lot. You see here, for 5 seconds, it pays a lot less than a penny. I think that's like I don't know. I don't know really the amount if I add them all up, but it's 24 of them, and they continuously put these up every day. So, I mean, if you want to click on those, each one 5 seconds long, you'll make a little bit of money with that. Not a lot, but it's money there to be made if you want it. But the other big thing I do on this site is offer walls. I go here, click on that, and I try to offer walls. I try to go through here and do one or two. I haven't gotten it this morning just because I wanted to stop and make this video, but the ones I have a lot of success with are AdGate and OfferTuro. I've been doing super rewards lately too. I found some things in there that I like that's actually credited me. So really, just go through and try, any offer wall. You know what I'm saying? Just go through and see what they're offering. You know what I'm saying? The thing is, most of these offers just saying, hey, sign up for this. Just create a username and password, or submit your email and you'll get points just like that. And it's free. And if it's something that you don't want, you can always go into your email and unsubscribe from it. Just tell them you don't want it anymore through the email. It's not like you have to call anybody because it's free. You don't have to put your credit card or anything like that into it. But just make sure you get credited for the points before you unsubscribe. That's the most important thing. So just make sure that you just go through and just try, all these offer walls, just seeing what kind of works for you. Like I said, it's very easy. Don't put your credit card information in there if it's something that you don't want. So, I mean, but if it is something that you want in there, feel free to buy it. But I don't recommend putting your credit card or any personal information on these sites. Just go for the free offers. It's money in it. Believe me, I do it all day, every day. So that's what I do on this site. I'm saying? I go through, again, I do the CPA, GPT offers. I do 1 to 2 your surveys, 90 cents each. Then I go over here to offer walls, and I try to, find, at least, a couple offers that I can do and complete. So that's basically what it is for this site. It's not like a site you're going to get rich on, but it is a site that you should put in your routine, because on most of these sites, you're just going through and you're making like $1 or two and you move it to the next one. So that's what I did on this site. I made that $1.91, and now I'm just going to go to the next site. So I just wanted to show you that. and show you how early it is. It's 7:14 in the morning, so I'm getting to it. You know, just making sure that I'm completing my goal for each website, which is basically to go in there, do an offer, do a survey at the very minimum, do one of those, and move to the next one. But if I have success with it on that particular site, I might go through and do a little bit more. But you know, let that be your goal. You know, to go on this site and all the sites, to go in there and do at least one survey and one offer and move to the next. And like whatever routine you take on, you know, this site or the next site, you know, implement that into all of them. So that's what it is. That's how you make your money grow faster. Just keep cashing out through PayPal, Amazon, gift cards, and just, you know, cash out every day. I mean, every day I'm getting PayPal money just because I'm using so many different sites and apps. And you can do the same thing if you just follow what I'm doing, follow my videos, you know, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos, which is basically every day, and just showing you guys how to make money for free. All right, so that's it for this video. Like I said, I cashed out $1.88 this morning. It was $1.91, but because of the fee, they took off 3 cents. You can do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Just put in the work and just keep grinding. All right, so always remember, every penny counts.